Empathy. Healthy conflict requires feeling for the other person's feelings and perspective. Often people, especially I think intellectual types or pseudo intellectual types, people get stuck in this trap of making a mistake, of sticking to what makes the most objectively rational sense to them and ignoring the other person's subjective experience. Logic is important and emotions are important, y'all. This is a relationship. There's an emotional experience happening all the time that needs attention and maintenance. The emotional experience of your relationship is a huge part of your dynamic. It's not the whole thing, but it's a huge part of the thing. And ignoring that will backfire. Relational problem solving, which is like what conflict resolution is, like relational problem solving, takes more than rational sense. It takes your emotional senses. Sometimes when a person is not making rational sense to you, it's because you don't understand how they feel about what they're saying. So when you understand that, then you can start to make that link between what they're saying and how they feel about it, like how they got there. Even if it still doesn't make sense to you, it helps to connect it. You just even caring and trying to get to like, okay, why, how could this make them feel this way? Okay. And how's that influencing what they're saying? Okay. Or what they would call rational, whatever. It helps you connect to them when you can empathize with them. When we extract empathy, we insert judgment. Okay. When we extract empathy, we insert division. So when you can empathize instead of trying to poke holes in what they're saying, okay, or instead of trying to minimize or whatever with what they're saying, instead of because those things are disconnecting maneuvers. Okay, when you try to prove someone wrong or like why they shouldn't feel that way, etc. Those are disconnecting maneuvers. Okay, so we in conflict we want to connect. We want to be connected even in conflict, even when we're experiencing tension moments and friction moments. We can stay connected.